Good afternoon, student. The previous class we are learned constant, different type of the constant, and all started with the operators. And today we are discuss about punctuators. Already you know the punctuators. Punctuators are simple, which are used to as delimiters and delimiters while constructing in the C++ program. The small dot, semicolon, comma, square bracket and curly braces. This is some of the example of the punctuator. This all the punctuator they call another one name, that is the separators. The following punctuator are used in C++. Most of these symbols are very similar. Both the language are C and C++. Java, we are using the C++. What is the punctuator we are using? That all will be common to another high level language of C and Java. The first separator we are using the curly braces. This is the opening and closing the curly braces indicate the start and end of the block of code. A block code containing more than one executable statement. This statement together they are called the compound statement. You are writing the C+ program. After writing the main program, you want to use the curly brackets. One curly bracket braces you started with must be closed in the curly braces. You are not close the curly braces means it will be showing the error. And next is the parenthesis. Opening and closing the parenthesis indicate the function of call and function parameters. Later we are studying what is the function and what is the parameters and all. So here using a clear screen and integer main. And next is the square bracket. It is indicate the single and multi-dimensional array. The arrays are you are studying to later. So here is the using the integer number, how many places. The matrix function you are using in the max, no, that is the array format. This here using single. The 5 they have allocated the spaces. And next is the comma. It is used to separate the expression. So integer x equal to 10 and y equal to the both you are want to separate and showing mean you are using the comma. And semicolon, each of the statement will be over. You must using the semicolon. Without semicolon they are showing the error in the program. And next is the column. It is the label of statement. What is the function and statement you are using? That's you want to label and show it in the program. That is you are using the punctuator is colon. And commands mean you are giving the commands to program. What you are going to doing that time, that's the command only you are given to the program. Not at all. This is not going to execute any of the statement. Next we are going to say input output operator. The input operator C++ provide the operator. They are using the sign of the less than symbol. What is the symbol? Less than. To get the input, it extract the value through the keyboard and assign in the variable or it is written. So this is called the stream extraction. What is the name they call? Stream extraction or the get from operator. Your get means input value. You are getting the program. So this is the get from or it is a stream extraction. In binary operator, it requires two operand. The first operand is the predefined identifier. This is pronounced the Cin. Cin means input. So it identified keyboard and the key input devices. The second operand must be a variable. The Cin mean input. After you have writing the one thing, that is the variable. So here how can you write? Cin mean keyboard, the input value. You are giving the command. For Cin, extract the function of string less than simple and variable. To receive the extract more than value at a time, operator should be used for each the variable. This is called the cassetting of the operator. So here is then a Cin less than equal to number. This is the input you are getting that number. And next is the we are getting the input of x and y used in the two values. This is the output operator. C++ provide this is a less than and greater than. Okay, well, this is the operator to perform the output operation. After execution, you will getting the result. This is you are using the output the operation. The operator greater than is called the stream intersection or put to. Intersection or put to. Operator is used to send the string or values of the variable on the right to the object in the left in the binary operator. The first operator is predefined operator. This is the screen. You are showing the result. Where it is? You are showing the result in the screen monitor. So pronounce the Cout that identify the monitor in the standard output object. The second operator may be the constant, variable or expression. Any one thing you are getting there. So C out greater than constant, variable or expression. So to send more than one value at a time, so operators should be used to each constant or variable or expression. This is called the cassetting of operator. Up to today we are learned punctuator, input output operators. So up to this part I hope you are clear. Thank you student.